told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this project I'm gonna show you how to make soap. You can use this for commercial purposes, or also you can use it for home purposes. Alright, so we're going to need 3 ingredients, that is caustic soda or sodium hydroxide if you like. We are going to use water, we are going to use oil, we are going to use a fragrance for this particular project. Alright, so what you need to do, you need to measure caustic soda, half a cup. Some people prefer to use a weighing machine for that, but I used my hand. I used my eyes, but unfortunately I did not achieve what I really intended because the soap is really irritating my fingers. So I think I put a lot of the ratio between the sodium hydroxide and water was not good at all. So when you're doing that, kindly ensure you put the right proportions so that you achieve the right results. So put sodium hydroxide in a basin and then add water, and not the other way around, because sodium hydroxide is a you'll put the caustic soda dangerous product. It's highly corrosive, and so continue stirring. It's very highly corrosive. You see it has already started producing some very dangerous vapor. So you need your face mask, you need some goggles if you will, you need some gloves. You can see I have gloves so that it does not spill on your skin. If you can, also ensure that you have a long sleeved clothes, because it is highly corrosive and it's very dangerous. All right, so once you're done with that, ensure that everything else, you will wash it very well and keep it as far as, and please, when you're doing this, ensure that your child is not near. All right, so continue to stir it kabisa. Just stir the mixture until it's all dissolved. All right, so once you do that, you will use your oil. You will pour it to the oil. So me personally, I used coconut oil. There are some people who use olive oil, and the measurement for that was 500 grams of coconut oil. And I prefer coconut oil because it has a very good fragrance, and also the quality of the soap is very good. All right, so you're going to continue stirring kabisa until the mixture is quite heavy. All right, ensure that it's quite heavy. Ensure that you stir almost kabisa so that the mixture can mix evenly, and you have a very heavy sort of mixture. English. All right, so I'm gonna speed this up because I don't have a hand mixture to speed up the process, so I'm gonna use my hand. So I'm not going to bore you. Let me speed this up so that we can go fast. All right.
2,000 years later.
So guys, that is after everything. Now you need to have something like this. This is called a mold. But now this is not a mold. This thing, nile inaekangwa, I think sweets, ama cakes. I just got it from a shop. I borrowed it from a shop around in the neighborhood. And it's not the accurate thing, because even the soap will not have very nice shape. So you also need a mold for this particular project, or you need somewhere you can put the soap. Later you can just get it out and cut it into pieces. But a lot of people prefers a mold. This is how a mold makes the soap look. I'll just post a picture here so that you can see, and you can also tell that a mold is quite different from anything else, because it gives that soap shape and it makes it look so good. All right, so you're going to let that sit for about 24 hours or more. You can let it sit for, because the more soap, the more it sits, the more it becomes rich and rich. So you can let it sit for 24 hours or more, 24 hours or maybe 72 hours. Yeah. So we're going to cover that after I put that. I'm just gonna cover it with a piece of cotton, a carton. You're gonna cover it with a carton and you're gonna let it sit for those hours. However, we're going to check it out after after 3 hours. You're gonna check it out and see how it's coming along. So I'm just gonna put that away somewhere and cover it so that it can start getting or becoming soap. All right. So guys, this is after 3 hours, and I don't know why it has water. I think, guys, with the measurements, there's something I never really did wrong, right? Oh, no, I think also when I was covering it up, I covered it up with the side that has nylon, so that is why it is sweating. All right, so ensure you cover it somewhere cool and dry, so that you give it time and ample space to dry up. All right. All right, so guys, this is after 24 hours and this is how the soap looks. Kindly note, guys, I only do these videos to show you or what you can do, but to get good results, ensure that number one, your mold is good, so that you get a very good shape of the soap. So if you want to start a business, you ensure that the shape of the soap is perfect, so that even when you're selling something that looks great. Because I feel like business, everything is packaging. So if your packaging is right, everything else will be 100%. So you can see the form of the soap is quite foamy. I love it. I'm still going to let it sit for other 72 hours or so, but that is all I had for you guys. Go out there, make soap, make money, or save money. Thank you so much for watching. If you've learned something, kindly subscribe and hit that notification button. Also comment down below. Let's engage.